How to hide all photos on Facebook. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make all your Facebook photos private on Android step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tutorials. First, open Facebook app. Now go to your profile page. Tap on the three dots on the top right. Select Activity Log from the menu. Now tap on your Facebook activity. Find Posts and tap on Manage Posts. Tap on Filter, then choose Categories. Select your posts, photos, and videos to manage only your uploaded photos. Now tap on All to select your photos. If you have older photos, scroll down first to make sure everything loads properly. Once selected, tap on the three-dot menu at the bottom and choose Change Audience. Now tap Change Audience again and select Only Me. Confirm the changes to make all your Facebook photos private. If you also want to hide tagged photos, go back to Activity Log and select Activity you're tagged in. Tap on Manage Tags, then filter by photos and videos you're tagged in, only tagged in. Select All and tap Remove Tags to hide tagged photos from your profile. And that's it. That's how you can hide all photos on Facebook and make them private easily.